I am Kate Kerwood and I am an Aerospace Engineering major. Being in the SPEED program and on Formula SAE has really given me the hands-on experience that I've been craving. Usually in classes it's more lecture type material, but being on a SPEED team gives you the real-world hands-on experience that companies really look for when they're hiring. So for my team specifically, we design and construct almost all of the components for our car. So we weld the frame together, we tune and dyno the engine. I'm in charge of all the aerodynamic devices, so I do simulation on that and then make them and put them on the car. We have open house events at the beginning of the school year that showcases all of our teams and what we do. I know my team in particular, we have freshman projects that are just dedicated to new students to get them involved in our team and understanding what's going on. There's a bunch of different things that you can get into within a team.